Hello, my loves. It's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today, we're going to be creating a spread in my meal planner as well as my wellness. So, the meal planner is Frosted Blooms. It is a classic size happy planner in a vertical layout. As always, I'm going to be putting my stickers down first. So, we have breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack, and grocery list. If this is your first time joining me, welcome. I hope you like it here. If you have been here before, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here and spending more time with me. So we're going to go ahead and start with putting all of these stickers down, and then we can decorate. Okay, so I do have a new freezer inventory. I do update it every so often. And today also, the sticker book I'm going to be using in my meal planner is called Halloween Vibes from Plannything. Her stickers are simply adorable. So I'm going to go ahead and use those. Like, look at all of these little dolls and characters for Halloween. Simply cuteness. Like, I can't help myself. So I'm gonna be using all, like, look at this little vampire. Like, how adorable is he, you know? I can't help it but smile when I put them in. And yes, I kind of want a fun Halloween here. And then the slime goo type of situation here, I'm gonna go ahead and add it to the top, kind of dripping down here. It's so cute, you guys. Okay, and then all of these little slimy splashes are going to go around this witch's brew pot. Okay, so let's make this little guy a gentleman and give him a hat right above. Doesn't have to be on his head. I still want to see his brains, but okay, look at his pants. Are you guys seeing this? So funny. Okay, I'm gonna add some spiders and some bats. Okay, and this little mummy, he's so adorable. Oh my gosh, all of these characters just really make me smile. They're like fun and happy and cuteness overload. So I'm gonna add some mushrooms, but let me add this little hanging spiders right up here. Look how happy they are, you guys. Oh my gosh. Now add a witch's hat up there as well. Let's add more mushrooms. Now add a broom right there. A big guy above the ghost. This little Halloween candy cane. And I think I'm done. So I'm just going to make my dots. I'm going to use purple this time. And it is, again, my Zig dot pen. They make perfect dots. I don't have to sit there and figure out if it's going to come out as a circle or not. Because let's be honest, I can't make circles. I've tried. Not very good at this. So I'm going to add that. And then we can go ahead and create a grocery list as well as a meal plan. So let me go ahead and start doing that. I usually pop it back into my planner when I write my meals. I don't know what it is, but I prefer to write on my discs. Yes, it is crooked, I can see, but it is my meal plan and it's not a big deal. So I'm gonna have bagel for breakfast on Monday and then a salad. And then I'm gonna go ahead and check my inventory for my freezer and then put that in. So I'm gonna have ground lamb bowl, like a rice bowl or a salad bowl, and then plum for snack. I love plums and apples, especially in the fall. There's something about it. So toast for breakfast, leftovers from the day before for lunch, and then for dinner we can go ahead and make lecho, which is like a peppery stew. I love making that. It is such a like nice and warm, soupy type of thing situation here. Okay, now let's plan a Wednesday. So for Wednesday, I don't know what I'm gonna eat. Let's see. I should do Bego again because I don't want them to go to waste. And I don't freeze them because for some reason I don't like frozen bagels, you guys. Salad again for lunch. I might bring some of the leftovers with the salad. And then we're going to have potatoes and meatball on Wednesday. Probably turkey meatballs. I love making those too. Okay, now let's do Thursday. So toast again on work days. I don't have that much time in the morning for when I wake up, do all the stuff I need to do, take care of the puppy, and then get myself ready as well. So gołąbki, which is a stuffed cabbage roll. It is a Polish dish for sure, and I really like it. So leftovers for lunch again on Friday, no big deal. I really enjoy those. Okay, plum for lunch, for snack, because that's what I love to eat, especially in fall, like I said. Friday for breakfast, I can have an apple. No big deal, because Fridays are usually my days off and to run errands, so I'm usually on the go. So eggs and bacon, probably turkey bacon, and then egg casserole on Sunday that I'm going to make. So on Saturday and Sunday, we eat a pretty late brunch, so then we snack in between. And then for dinner, I can make stir fry, because then you can just throw out all the veggies that are left over in there, and that's what it is. So kopitkas are these dumplings, and then I'm gonna make them with some chicken, and then apple and plum again. So I'm just alternating those. I'm gonna go ahead and fill out my grocery list later. I'm gonna have to check what I already have. Okay, moving on to the wellness planner. This is called Nature and Nurture, and what I'm gonna be using is stickers from Misha, designs by Misha on Etsy. Her stickers are so lovely, and she has this Gothic Rose sticker collection that is so perfect for Halloween. Not only that, but like even Valentine's Day, if you wanted to do a dark Valentine's Day, that would work. So I'm just gonna remove all of those prompts. I do not use this for journaling as I have a full dedicated journal, and I'm gonna go ahead and start decorating. So first and foremost, I need my little checklist. So I use the small 3-dot checklist in here. That's for breakfast, lunch, dinner. And I track those so they go into here. There we go. I'm also going to be using the Spooky Chic from Cassathetic Plans together with this, and I think it's going to be a pretty nice combination. So let's take a look, because I think this might be a fun one. So her stickers are so adorable as well. Okay, looks like I need one more checklist. You guys, I am like using these books like water and going through all of my sticker books like crazy. Thank God I have a ton. So I want to use these dark florals with these designs from Designs by Misha. So I think that's going to be good. And that's a sticker she sent me. So minding my business and drinking water. I do not drink enough water. I don't know what it is about me that I can't stick to a water regimen, but it just doesn't work for me. I don't know why, but it doesn't. So look how pretty this girl is in here. So I'm gonna add one up here, one in here. Kind of awesome, especially when I fold my planner in half, because I usually do that when I write. I can have one girl on each page. So yay, I love it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and add all of these little stickers like the raven, the books. Kind of cool. I really like this. And then I can add all of these beautiful florals in here, add a hinge of purple. Look at that. I don't know if that's a crown or a ring, but holy smokes. It's gorgeous. Okay. So now I need some boxes to go ahead and cover up what I took off and do my own as always. So one's gonna go up here, one on the top, and then I need to make dots. Lots and lots of dots as always. So here we go. So on the top, what I track is my sleep and my mood, and on the bottom, I track whether I took my medications and supplements and my movement, because usually all of these things correlate to each other. If I don't move a lot, I'm not feeling great and I'm not in a great mood. And same thing if I don't sleep enough. But that is it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon for another video. Bye!